Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to change background in Photoshop. So please stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to change background in Photoshop, simply follow my steps. So let's don't waste any time. Okay, let's say guys, we want to change this picture background for Angelina Jolie. This one. I want to put another background for this picture. So first, let's get a special background. Don't worry about the link guys, I will put in the description below. Wallpaper white. Okay. Let's say we want to download some special background for Angelina Jolie picture. I want simple one. Okay, next. Okay, let's say I want this one. Click in the arrow here in the middle. Okay, high definition, full HD. Okay, download. Okay, that's it. Drag this picture to the desktop. So as you can see, we have Angelina Jolie picture and this background. I want to put this picture in this background. Okay, now let's start the Photoshop program. As you can see, that's it. Okay, it's loading. Now file, new. Okay, default Photoshop size, create. Okay, first of all guys, let's import Angelina Jolie picture. Okay, to new tab here, and also let's import the new background to new tab. Okay, let's exit this one, I don't need. Okay, so here guys, we want to move Angelina Jolie picture to the new background here. Okay, first of all, unlock this lock here. Okay, then select magic wand tool in the left side, as you can see here, and click here in this picture. When you finish, click delete. Okay, then select rectangular marquee tool, select this one and press delete. Okay, that's it. Now move tool, move this object to the new tab here and put here this picture. As you can see, that's it. so easy. Okay, you can also add some brightness or contrast. Okay, give some brightness. Okay, when you finish, guys, click in the above file, save as, in the desktop location, change the type of this file to JPEG. Okay, let's rename the file Angelina Jolie. Okay, new background. Okay, save. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it. A new one. As you can see, this is the old one and this is the new one. It's so easy, guys. Any help, comment in the description below. I will help you. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.